Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about activation of egg metabolism in sea urchin. What is egg activation? Egg activation is the morphological, physiological and molecular changes occur in egg is called egg activation. These changes occur in the cytoplasm. Mechanism of egg activation. One thing must remember in your mind, these mechanisms depend on the calcium. The source of calcium may be the outside or endoplasmic reticulum. This calcium come from the outside environment or endoplasmic reticulum. You can see in this diagram how the calcium is released from the endoplasmic reticulum. When the sperm attach with the receptor, it activates kinase enzyme which is present in the cytoplasm. This enzyme activate another enzyme which name as PLC, phospholipase enzyme. Phospholipase enzyme break down PIP2 into IP3 and diacylglycerol. IP3 go to the receptor which are present on the endoplasmic reticulum. When IP3 attach on the receptor, it release the calcium in the cytoplasm. This calcium has a major role in the response of egg. There are two response, early response and late response. Today we will discuss about the early response. When the sperm attach with the receptor, calcium cause block polyspermy. There are two types of block polyspermy, fast block and slow block. In the fast block polyspermy, sodium is involved, and in the slow block polyspermy, calcium is involved. Calcium has a major role in the embryonic development. Calcium convert NAD into NADP. This NADP involved in the lipid metabolism. Lipid is used in the cell membrane. Next role of the calcium is the oxygen consumption. Calcium convert water into hydrogen peroxide and we name it respiratory burst. Respiratory burst cause the fertilization envelope formation. Calcium also involved in the egg production. You can see in this diagram, this is the egg and this is the genetic material. Free radical destroy this genetic material. So calcium is involved in the regeneration of glutathione and ovothiol that destroy free radical. So calcium has a major role in the egg production. The summary of our topic is that when the sperm bind with the receptor, sodium enter into the cytoplasm and change the membrane potential. When the membrane potential change, fast block polyspermy occur. And on the other side, kinase activate the PLC. PLC break down the PIP2 into IP3 and diacylglycerol. IP3 release the calcium that also involved in the slow block polyspermy. Calcium activate the NAD plus kinase enzyme. It involved in the lipid metabolism that form the cell membrane.